Thikoni ni thutha wa wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari na ya murugamiriri wa bajeti gutwara mateta macio bunge-ini ya Senate megie uria kaunti ikoretwo ikihuthira akaunti nyingi cia bengi. Undu uria ni mugaru na watho, mateta maya ni mekirirwo mukonde umuthi hindi ya gikaro gia kamiti ya Senate igi utamburukia wa mahinya na gavana wa kaunti ya NYANDARUA Ndagitari KIARIE Badilisha thutha wa kuhithuka ati kaunti ino na akaunti igana rimwe ria MIRONGO cia bengi itiganite.
The total is 86 accounts in health facilities, operations account including VTC of 59, and the CBK 15, a total of 160 active accounts and running.
Yagitetera gavana KIARIE Badilisha erire kamiti ino ati akorire akaunti ici hinguritwo ni magavana hau kabere akaunti ya NYANDARUA. No maseneta mamuthingiriria gutariria gitumi giake guthie na mbere kuihuthira thutha wake kuingira wabici-ini.
When it is mentioned that Governor Badilisha is operating this number of accounts, in the minds of people, they may think that I came the other day and opened them. These accounts were opened long time ago during local government. Senate is also 12 years old, and now time has come. We agree on a template on the way to go.
The law does not allow you to operate an account outside what is in the law. And if you say that they were opened with other regulations, and you look in 2015, it nullifies all the other preceding laws. You cannot say that the laws that were being used by municipal councils are the same laws that you say that there was a regulation then. I'm still using it now. The law 2015 does not allow NYANDARUA County to operate 160 accounts.
That is where we are asking for guidance, because there is no single account here that was opened outside a certain legal order.
You can never jump out and say, I wasn't the one. Yeah. You are the governor now. You take responsibility for what is there. So if you found an account that ought not to exist, it was your responsibility to close that.
Muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari na ntigathogo na murugamiriri wa budget ya bururi Margaret Nyakango hari mateta mao maugire akaunti ici nyingi ikoragwo iri muhinga munene hari guthingatithia wigiririki hari uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi, undu uria ni ugwati munene kuona share kuhuthirwo kungumia kigina kia muingi.
We have annexed audit report to show that we go to those institutions and audit them. We have attached senior accountants to help these members of the committee to do the bookkeeping. But at the end of the day, since all the money so far comes from the CRF account, it means my chief officer here and the CC Finance, they account for that money.
There is no law that allows operation of all the other current accounts beyond the ones that have been, are supposed to be opened at the central bank. We must get to the depth of this matter so that we actually know, because these are not personal money. These are public money. We must know how these accounts are being operated.
Oho Ngabana Badilisha ni ahuthirire gikaro giki gukomithia ciiko cia county commissioner wa county ya Laikipia, akiuga igirite mugunda wa county ya NYANDARUA na kwambiriria mihango ya gutharia nyumba cia ikaria guku hatari kumahe wikaro gi wa guthamira.
We went to court. We got given a court order. Nobody's respecting that order. Even as we speak, they are still there. There is a serious conflict that is going to occur between Laikipia and NYANDARUA if you do not intervene.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunyam.